Humans, the smartest species on Earth. When we talk. Imagine what happens when our vehicles start talking too. You'd wonder, have I locked the car? And your car would answer, yep. Your car would tell your dad how good your driving is. Smooth. If something goes wrong, your tyres would talk to the roadside mechanic. Your car would talk to a satellite that would talk to a network that would talk to a traffic jam, which would be getting a very clear message from Jack's tractor. That today's the day to take the bypass. And since charging stations are the new petrol stations, your car will tell you where to find a quick recharge and a flat white while you're at it. The more we connect, the smarter we get. Connect your car to FordPass.